We need to find out the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. So here we're going to use a formula tangent of A plus B. So this is given by tangent of angle A plus tangent of angle B divided by 1 minus tangent of angle A times tangent of angle B. Now, if we are doing tangent of A minus B, then in that case we have tangent of A minus tangent of B, and in the denominator we'll have 1 plus tangent of A times tangent of B. We will be using this formula to expand tangent of theta plus 60 degree and tangent of theta minus 60 degrees. Now let's do one thing. Now what we'll do, we'll take the first two terms and we will take tangent of theta as the common factor. So that gets multiplied to tangent of theta plus 60 degrees added to tangent of theta minus 60 degrees. And we have the third term, so that's simply the product of tangent of theta plus 60 and tangent of theta minus 60 degree. Okay, so let's apply the formula. So we will have tangent of theta whole multiplied to tangent of theta plus 60 degrees, so that will become tangent of theta plus tangent of 60 degrees divided by 1 minus tangent of theta times tangent of 60 degrees. This will be added to tangent of theta minus 60, so that's tangent of theta minus tangent of 60 whole divided by 1 added to tangent of theta times tangent of 60 degrees. Now in the next term we again apply the formula of tangent of theta plus 60 to have tangent of theta plus tangent of 60 degrees divided by 1 minus tangent of theta times tangent of 60 degrees. And this will be multiplied to tangent of theta minus 60. So that's going to be tangent of theta minus tangent of 60 degrees divided by 1 plus tangent of theta times tangent of 60 degrees. Fine. So let's further simplify this. Now we have tangent of theta. We know that tangent of 60 degree has a standard value. So what we do, wherever we have tangent of 60, we're going to replace it with square root of 3. So we have tangent of theta plus square root of 3 divided by 1 minus square root of 3 times tangent of theta added to tangent of theta minus square root of 3 divided by 1 plus square root of 3 times tangent of theta. Right. And for the next term, we have tangent of theta plus square root of 3 divided by 1 minus square root of 3 times tangent theta. This will be multiplied to tangent of theta minus square root of 3 divided by 1 plus square root of 3 times tangent of theta. Okay, now what we'll do, we will add the two terms within the parentheses. So let's take the common denominator. So that will be 1 minus square root of 3 times tangent of theta whole multiplied to 1 plus square root of 3 times tangent theta. In the numerator, we'll take tangent of theta plus square root of 3. So this will get multiplied to the denominator of the second term. So that's 1 plus square root of 3 times tangent of theta. Added to, we will take tangent of theta minus square root of 3, the term in the numerator of the second term, and multiply it to the denominator of the first term. So that's 1 minus square root of 3 times tangent of theta. And we multiplied the two expressions in the second term. So tangent of theta plus square root of 3 times tangent of theta minus square root of 3, that will be simply the difference of squares. We'll get tangent square theta minus square root of 3 whole square. And in the denominator, we will also get a difference of square. We'll get 1 squared minus square root of 3 times tangent of theta whole squared. So let's further simplify. Now we have tangent of theta multiplied to, so let's expand the numerator portion. So we have tangent of theta plus square root of 3 times tangent squared theta plus square root of 3 plus 3 times tangent of theta added to tangent of theta minus square root of 3 times tangent squared theta minus square root of 3 plus 3 times tangent of theta. So this will be divided by the product of 1 minus square root of 3 tangent of theta times 1 plus square root of 3 tangent of theta, which will become the difference of square. We have 1 squared minus square root of 3 times tangent of theta whole square. Now this will be added to tangent squared theta minus 3 divided by 1 minus 3 times tangent squared theta. Now here we'll see that few of the terms will get cancelled out. So here square root of 3 tangent squared theta and minus square root of 3 tangent squared theta cancels out. Also square root of 3 and negative square root of 3 cancels out. So we will now have tangent of theta multiplied to, so tangent theta plus 3 tangent theta plus tangent theta plus 3 tangent theta. So that will amount to 8 times tangent theta whole divided by 1 minus 3 times tangent squared theta. And the second term we have tangent squared theta minus 3 divided by 1 minus 3 times tangent squared theta. So let's combine them. We'll have a common denominator of 1 minus 3 tangent squared theta. Now here 8 tangent theta times tangent theta, that will be 8 tangent squared theta plus tangent squared theta minus 3. Now 8 tangent squared theta plus tangent squared theta, that will be 9 tangent squared theta minus 3 divided by 1 minus 3 times tangent squared theta. Now what we'll do, we'll take negative 3 as the common factor in the numerator. So if we take negative 3 as the common factor, this will get multiplied to 1 minus 3 tangent squared theta divided by 1 minus 3 tangent squared theta. So we can factor out 1 minus 3 tangent squared theta from the numerator to the denominator, and that finally leaves with negative 3, which is going to be the value of the given trigonometric expression. Now that means the value of this particular trigonometric expression comes out to be equals to negative 3.